Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Capricorn, this is a general collective read, so will not resonate with each and every one of you, but take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card to top the reading and see what my angels have for you, and then we'll open your cards. Okay? So my angels, what do you have for my Capricorn gang, please? Blessing or an advice card? Blessing or an advice card for Capricorn? Blessing or an advice card for Capricorn? Okay, this one. Got it. Thank you. Let's put the rest back, Capricorn, and see what I can see on my clock for you. A 111. Beautiful. So maybe some new beginnings, Capricorn. So the card I get for you, Capricorn, is higher education. Yes, you may be learning some spiritual lessons at the moment. This could be actual education as well for the younger lot of you who are, signing up for new courses or something. But normally in tarot, it would mean a spiritual lesson. Okay, there's certain things now that you are ascending and you are kind of connecting with your spirit guides. You're learning a lot about more than just the 3D world. So let's see what my cards have for you now, Capricorn. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm really blessed. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Capricorn, this is going to be a simple 9-card spread. Just to check on your energy, see what messages are there for you and if there's any guidance that's required. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh my God, 3 of Cups, celebrations, Capricorn, with the 111, okay? Sometimes this can also indicate a reunion, but it can also represent you just being happy with life and with, meeting up with friends and family and in a feeling of celebration here. So let's see what your cards have to say. 8 of Pentacles, working hard after something didn't work out, okay? Then we have the King of Cups, King of Wands, the Lovers, Justice, 7 of Swords, 9 of Wands, and the Page of Cups. No wonder this cup was here. Something didn't work out. Somebody's making a choice now to bring justice back to your life, Capricorn, or this could be you. And yes, coming in with an apology here. Okay, so expect some kind of reunion. Let's see now. Let's start with the first card here, which is the 8 of Pentacles. So what's this 8 of Pentacles, Spirit? What's this 8 of Pentacles? One more. There was a dynamic here, Capricorn, where I think in the past, whoever you were dealing with, they had a little bit of trouble in kind of showing their emotions. And even though a brand new beginning was possible, could have been, but maybe this person kept pretending that I don't have time for you or I'm busy. Somebody in the dynamic always felt that the other person had the victory and the one person always lost. It was never equal. It was never balanced. It always ended up making one partner feel like, like I'm being manipulated or I'm not having the equality in this relationship. And because of that, because of lack of clarity of whether this is going to go forward or not, I think there was a tower moment, which I think fell and things kind of stopped working after that. That fresh new beginning, which could have been, I think, didn't happen in the past. Yes, I think somebody is feeling rather foolish about it now as well. Okay, the feeling, my God, what did I do? I created a tower moment and I didn't give attention to my partner, maybe. I never said what I needed to say. I was not clear in my communication. I always felt my partner feel like, I was more powerful. I was just playing mind games, maybe. And I've hurt my partner to make them feel they're not good enough or worth it, and I've made a stupid, foolish mistake here, and that's why this new beginning has not happened, and everything has now stagnated, I think, between the two of you. Then we have Capricorn, the King of Cups. So what do you want to say, King of Cups? King of Cups wants to say, I want to return. I want to return. I don't like the fact that, my partner has turned their back on this relationship now, no longer wanting me. Yes, I was immature earlier. I did not respond on time. Maybe I was not consistent. I was in and out of their life. And I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm foolish. And I want to return now. I do love my partner very much. That's what this King of Cups is saying, okay? I was only channeling for him. Now they want to take action. Whoever this person is has now realized their mistake. They want to pick themselves up and come passionately forward and make things right, it seems. They know some choice has to be made so that some balance and justice can be brought back into this relationship. So King of Wands Spirit, King of Swords, they love their partner so much. So I don't know, Capricorn, whether you are this King of Cups or this is your partner I'm talking about, okay? I'm just channeling two energies here. So now whoever this masculine is has realized how much they love their partner, and they're also realizing now that their partner has turned their back on them and no longer giving of their love and affection and the sweet nurturing and caring as they used to, okay? Now this person wants to take action and chase after the Queen of Cups. There is a lot of love, there's a lot of attraction, there's a lot of passion, but there's also now a decision to be made of how to bring this justice back to this relationship. Whatever has happened here, whatever this King of Cups has done, has actually backfired on them big time. Because now their partner is guarded, no longer allowing them in, has barriers put up. So that is the reason I think very soon they're going to gear up and come towards their partner with an apology. So let's clarify these cards. The Lover Spirit. What's this Lover's card? They need to make a choice here. A choice has to be made because whatever happened in this dynamic, this person is feeling like a loser now. They're feeling foolish. They're feeling like a loser. They're feeling like publicly embarrassed now at the way they've behaved maybe in the past. They know that's the reason they've lost the love of their life. The beautiful love that they had in the palm of their hand. They disrespected it. They played these silly games, made their partner feel not worth it. And yes, now they need to bring justice. So what's this justice they want to bring, Spirit? How will they bring this justice? They want to bring justice by getting unstuck or making this relationship unstuck. I think things have really been stagnant since this fight or whatever has happened. They want to now return back to their person. They are going to apologize for not keeping this relationship balanced. They are feeling miserable that that things haven't flown the way they should have, or there hasn't been any equal give and take, and now they are wanting to bring justice back by getting out of the stuck mode and returning back to apologize. Yes. So 7 of Swords, Spirit, why do they feel it's backfired on them? Why do they feel that things have backfired on them? Oh, wow. They feel things have totally backfired on them because now they are the ones feeling left out and abandoned in the cold, right? They know that that person has gone off for a new beginning for themselves, and not just gone for a new beginning. Look at the way they're looking. They're looking single, they're looking abundant, they're looking beautiful. They are scared now that in this position, their partner will be snapped up in a second. Okay, so they're feeling, oh my God, whatever games I played, they actually backfired on me. I'm the one here feeling miserable. I'm the one who's now feeling left out. This is what I did to my partner maybe in the past. And yes, the new beginning is already there for my partner. And now what do I do? Because I'm just one of the many that they can choose from now. They also see their partner as very guarded now and very protective of their energy. So, Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. One more. One more. This person, whoever this person is, King of Cups, wants to fight one more time. They want to fight for your love one more time. They feel that they have suffered their bad karma. Yes, this was a higher education for them. Maybe they've learnt a big lesson here, Capricorn. So again, I'm saying this could be you who's, learning this lesson, or this could be your partner who's learning this lesson now. Okay, so now they want to fight one more time. They realize that they have invoked bad karma for themselves. They want to come towards their partner and reveal all now. They don't want to keep any secrets. They want to be honest and open, because now they feel, oh my God, I've lost my chance of this Four of Wands. My stability, my security is all gone now without this person, and I have to be honest and reveal all to kind of hope for them to return back to me. And then comes the Page of Cups. Okay, that's the apology. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? What's this Page of Cups? They want to apologize, saying, yes, I am sorry that I was not very clear in my communication. I never gave you the right signals. I never spoke the words that should have been spoken. I was maybe sometimes rude, and I was pretty harsh maybe sometimes. I really didn't mean it. Now I'm seeing things from a higher perspective. I'm seeing it from your side, my side, higher ground, as to what silly stuff I did by behaving in this cold manner, very cold and withdrawn manner. Now they're coming in to heal your heart, heal their heart by giving an apology. Okay, so now, right now, I think they're still waiting and watching for the right moment to enter. They have been stalking you. They haven't given up hope. So it's up to you now, feminine, whoever you are. Do you want this reconciliation? Somebody definitely wants it. Okay, they are willing now to take back control, take back charge, and be the emperor. And they're coming in quite swift, actually. They're coming in rather fast. They're coming in quick to say, hey, I'm going to be your emperor now, and let's get back together. Okay, so now it totally depends on you, Capricorn. Do you want them back, or have you really moved on? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.